Hey guys, Ryan Melfin in 2011 here. Today I'm going to do a review on my Athearn N skill Metra F59PHI METX 90 Chicago and Northwestern. And this video was requested by Iron 4014, so thank you for that. And it has a it's a DCC sound locomotive. Yep, DCC quick start. It did come with a quick start guide. Go ahead, throw it in right here. No, this is my first review. I may be just a little funky. So we will start. It has 3 windows up here, and it has a window right here. Got some bars up here, and the ladder down there, which is connected to this truck. I don't know if you can see it. And we got, it's very well detailed. It got doorknobs, so you can see those. And you got Chicago Northwestern logo over here in the front. And I'm going to move my camera a little. Got METX 90, the boards here and here. And you got 2 front headlights, 4, so 2 down here, and 4 up here, along with 2 red marker lights. And for some reason, this marker light right here, I don't know if you can see that, it just sort of sticks out compared to the one right there. And you got your coupler, it's black. And you got your plow, pilot, it's same color, but Athearn sort of messed up, it's hanging. Now I want to fix that. And yep, here's the trucks right here. You got this thing right here. Unfortunately, Metro removed those because they're not made for the weather that the Chicago area has. They don't have snow. That's why you got the Metro logo, American flag, and you got some green up here, a lightning bolt. Well, I don't know if maybe it's supposed to be, I don't know. 90 and RTA. And I'm just going to flip around the locomotive for this. Yeah, you also got your white and red strip on the front. So we turn it around. So up here, you got some I think a gas pump or something. Well, the gas pump is down there. I don't know if that's supposed to be maybe for sand. METX 90, got some grab irons. Along with this chain right here, it does not actually move. You got a ladder. You got your coupler with a trip pin. METX 90 and RTA. And if you're wondering what the bottom looks like, it looks like this. I don't know if you can really well see that because it's black. And we'll look at the top now. So so up here, sorry. Alright. So you got your horn. You got in real life this is like an air vent, but this is a speaker. There's one right there. You got 4 fans, along with more of that grill stuff. And I don't know what this thing back here is. Maybe just another grab iron. And also, I forgot about the back. You got a light right here. And you got a door with a window. And Yep, this, yeah. I did, let's see, I got this online. Pretty sure Tony's Trains. Yeah, that's where I got it. I got it for Christmas. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to put this on the track and boot it up, and we'll get to that. Okay, I'm going to start up the locomotive now. So that's the startup sequence. Here's the headlights. Got that. Oh, you got your bell. Apparently it does not have its lights don't blink. You got your horn. Headphone warning to those. It's a little loud. And here's your short horn. And if I look at this startup guide, the quick start guide. Okay. So we got dynamic brakes is F4. I may need to move the locomotive for that. Yep, I hear a difference. Let me just. Actually sounds amazing. And as we forward it back, that back headlight comes on. Yeah, it does accelerate quickly. I'll just stop it here. So F5, brakes wheel release. I don't know. I've never done some of these commands. I don't know what that does. Coupler F6. That doesn't do anything. F7 is headlight dimmer. If you look closely, you may see them. Light dim those headlights. F7. I don't know if you can really see it happen, but to me, they're dimming. And F8 is mute, so that turns off the sound of the locomotive. Pretty quiet. Okay, F9 and F10 have nothing. And F11, which I have document easy command plus, it only goes up to F9, and this is go to the next function page. So let's see if well, to me F0 do it. Seems like it is. Oh, yeah, it's for Steam only. Yeah, F11, F12 are just for Steam locomotives. And that is it for the video today. See you in the next review. Bye.